Hey, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're looking at this 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Arguably in the 32-foot range, going to have best amenities overall as far as a cabin, ride, and speed. We'll start up front here, have your windlass anchor, as well as your spotlight for nighttime navigation, and a bow rail all the way on the front for on those rough days. You have plenty of security inside the boat. Let's step around the transom and see what she's powered by. All right, now we're here at the back of the 320 Sundancer. This boat's powered by the all-new 425 V10 Mercury engines. Great speed, great cruising overall as you're going along the coast. You also have your underwater light package on this boat and your rear transom storage, which we'll get to in just a second. Let's climb aboard and see what she has to offer. All right, we'll start here on the transom of the 320 Sundancer. Have plenty of storage here on the back of the boat, where here we'll have where our shore power goes into, keep it in the way, as well as a large storage hatch here to keep your shore power cords, covers, or anything you need for the water. So we come in, the step door here on the starboard side. Notice we'll have the teak table here, which has designated storage underneath your bilge hatch, which you'll also find your generator there. We come in, have our cooktop with electric grill, freshwater sink, as well as outlets, and even you have your air conditioner with thermostat right here to control all the climate in this area. Before we go in, you do also have a sunshade, which retracts to shade this whole area, as well as some isinglass, which you'll see in here. As we come here to the helm, full glass windshield, so no obstruction looking forward. We do have the isinglass, which you can completely remove or leave it here and roll it up to let some air in the cabin. Sunroof here where I can fold back to get some natural light in here. And here at the helm have our joystick, electronic controls, VHF, and twin 12-inch displays. Now we're on the bow of the 320 Sundancer. Have 3 wide seating here where your stereo controls and a nice bow rail to keep you safe while you're up here offshore. Let's step down to the cabin, see what that has to offer. Now we're in the cabin of the 320 Sea Ray. Have your large aft cabin there in the back, a refrigerator and microwave down here as well. And moving forward up here where I'm at, we'll have a large forward berth where we can put this down, convert it to a full bed or raise this up to a table. Have our TV forward, little speakers down here, and as well as natural light through your 2 side glass windows. Come in here to the head, you'll have your head in there, which is also can convert to a wet head if you need to take a shower for the day. Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. If you have any other questions or want to come see the boat in person, give me a call at 706-455-0468. Have a good day.